Hi folks, today I'm going to do a video about what happens in the unlikely event of you getting malware or a virus on your iPhone. iPhones are pretty well protected against those two, but it is possible. So just to let you know, to prevent that happening, don't ever download any apps from anything else except the official web app store. Right, that's very important. If you download apps from the App Store, then the chances of getting malware or a virus are very slim. But anyway, how do you tell if you have got a virus on your phone, if you suspect it? Well, one of the ways is to feel the back of your phone. If it's getting really hot, that means that the processor is working in the background over time. So it could be there's some malware, spyware going on like that. The other way is to go to settings and scroll down till you get to battery. Right, all the way down to battery. Press that and then you'll see this battery health come up. And then you can see your activity. All right, I don't have a lot of activity today, so I'll go to the last 10 days, 20 last 10 days. Let's press that. Sorry, I'm having some issues with the last 10. There we go. All right, last 10 days. Now you know what apps you use, okay? So you can check to see if there's any unusual time spent on an app that you don't use. So for example, this Words app, if I hadn't been using it, 73% of my battery usage, that indicates there's something going on in the background. All right, so that's not good. So how do we solve the problem? Well, if you suspect this, then the best thing to do is go back and restart your phone. Right, if that doesn't solve the problem, then you have to do a reinstall. All right, so to do that, you then go to into your Apple ID. All right, and you scroll down till you get to iCloud, and you press that and make sure that iCloud backup is on. All right, then allow some time for your phone to back up to iCloud if you don't already have that on, and then you have to go and reset your phone. So you go back and you scroll down to General, press General, and then go all the way down to the bottom, and it says transfer or reset iPhone. Press that. Okay, and then you press erase all contents and settings. Okay, and then your phone will restore itself to factory, and then you can start your phone again. You can restore it from the iCloud backup, and that should do everything, fix everything if you suspect you have malware, spyware, or a virus on your phone. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.